Hi, my name is Ashley Abrams and I'm a homeowner in Lonial, about 5 minutes from Fourways. Initially I was looking at doing a fire pit. I wasn't quite sure, the exact design of the fire pit, and that became a bit clearer when nail&screw came out. I went via Kandua, and I had about 4 contractors who came out to give me a quote. Had the initial discussions with the guys. Wasn't too happy with, what was presented in terms of professionalism of the other guys, also the knowledge of what I was trying to do. And when nail&screw came out, it was a different story. They asked the right questions. They were professional in their approach. Didn't just want to quote for the sake of quoting. They were trying to get to the right idea and what I was trying to get at. So I decided, no, these are the guys I want to go with. Initially, I had a very basic idea of what I was looking for. Nail&screw made some really good recommendations in terms of what was best for the area that we were looking at. And at the end of the day, it really exceeded my expectations.